timeless time, where the stars align and shine. A watcher stands, his gaze so cold, guarding secrets long untold. With the rise of kings and fall of stone, he's seen the world yet walks alone. Silent witness to the strife, the endless cycles of death and life. Eternal watcher bound to see the threads of fate and history. In the silence of the night, he keeps the balance, guards the light. Timeless guardian, never still, forever bound yet bending will. Through the ages, wars have raged, books of life, their words erased. Empires crumble, dust remains, the watcher lingers through joy and pain. From mountain peaks to oceans vast, he sees the echoes of the past. No voice to speak, no hands to shape, only to watch, never escape. Eternal watcher bound to see the threads of fate